me, Triple G, and welcome back to another YouTube video. Guys, happy holidays! Happy holidays! You know, I hope y'all are keeping safe and keeping warm, staying safe, keeping warm. English. Correct English. Alright, anyways, I just wanted to make this quick YouTube video to tell you guys to have a safe holidays, and if you celebrate Christmas, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year's. I mean, I'll see you guys a couple of times before my New Year's video, but you know, still I also wanted to come on here today and give a quick life update type video. I told you guys that I was gonna give this video back in November when I finished a recent job that I had, but we're doing it now. So let's get right into it. Okay, so all throughout the very end of September all the way through mid-November, I had a very special opportunity, and I'm so happy I took the opportunity. It was super exciting. I grew a lot with my makeup skills, and I learned how to airbrush. It was amazing. I worked at a really big haunted house here in Georgia, and it's called Netherworld Haunted House. If you're from Georgia, or if you are known to Georgia, or even if you know haunted houses, Netherworld is a really big haunted house. And I was a makeup artist there, and it was extremely exciting, and I really got to hone in on my special effects side of my artistry. So it was an amazing experience. I met a ton of great people, learned so much. Like I said, airbrush. I learned how to make silicone prosthetics. I learned really how to define and highlight certain parts of the anatomy on your face and on your décolletage. It was great, and yeah, can I talk? I can. But yes, I also made great connections with other people that are already in the film industry. So that's been exciting, because if you guys remember, I've been working hard to break my way into the film industry lately, and it's been exciting. So I love that I've made those connections, finding my way into getting jobs and everything like that. If y'all remember, I have a big goal to work on a specific show that's filmed here in Atlanta. If you remember, you remember. It's Stranger Things. I don't know why I be trying to be a little secretive, but yes, fingers crossed. I'm gonna make it happen. And I'm excited about it. We're manifesting, y'all. We're manifesting. But I will keep you guys updated on my journey with that, and my journey within the film industry as a whole. And with that being said, I also have something exciting coming up in January that I'm not gonna say really anything about yet, but your girl, all I'm gonna say is your girl is traveling, and I'm excited to show y'all the experience. So yeah. I keep saying that, but I guess that's my thing. I don't know. But yeah. That's a little quick synopsis of what I had going on all throughout the fall and into almost recently, the end of November. So yeah, I will have pictures flashing around me showing some of my favorite looks that I did at Netherworld. I hope you like them. And also, before the video ends, I wanted to slide this in here really quick. My mom is doing so much better. She's doing amazing. The last surgery went absolutely great, and everything is working how it's supposed to, and I'm so happy and I'm so grateful for her health and everything that happened this year, y'all. If y'all remember the videos throughout the year, it's been a really rough and long year this year, but I will talk and speak on that more in my I'm gonna make a 2022 recap type video situation. Yes. So keep a lookout for that, and I didn't want to make this video too long, so we're gonna go ahead and close this on out. Like I said, happy holidays. Happy New Year's. Stay safe, stay warm, because it's cold. It's been cold. It's been cold. All right. So yeah, more gaming coming soon. We're gonna finish up the Dark Pictures, The Devil in Me, and we're also gonna finish up Heavy Rain, and of course makeup. More makeup's coming soon. Like I said in the last video, I will be having a like a black eye type of special effects look coming soon. So not necessarily a tutorial, but we're gonna see how it goes, because it's gonna be my first time specifically doing a black eye. So it should be cool, should be fun, should be exciting. All right. Oh, makeup of the day, speaking of, I did like a really nice like holiday eyeliner look. My eye is probably twitching because for some reason when I do like a close-up trying to show, especially when it's like an eye specific thing, my eyes be twitching. So I'm gonna try to relax for a second. Alright, yes. Something, I don't know. It's pretty full glam, pretty full glam. Got some glitter going on as well. So yes. If you can tell, I love a great red lip, especially in the holidays. But anyway, we making this longer than what it got to be. So we're gonna go ahead and head on out, and I will see you guys in the next video. Alright.